finished the lesson, the trick robot, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we all do an activity from that lesson?
Okay, ma'am.
This activity is going to be a real fun because this activity is going to give you an opportunity to act like a robo. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the board. I have written 4 words here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you read it? What is the first word? No answer in chorus. Yes, Guru will read the first one.
Walk.
Very good. Give the mic to the other one. The second one.
Jump.
Very good. Third one.
Bend.
Very good. Fourth one.
Turn.
Okay, these are action words, right? So now each one of you will have to pick one action word from this and will have to act these words like how a robo will do. Okay? Will you do that? Okay, Guru, what is the word that you are going to select?
Turn.
Okay, you have selected turn. Okay. Good, very good, very good. Okay, now next one. What is the word that you are going to select?
Bend.
Bend, okay. How will a robo bend? Good, very good, very good. Okay, what is your word?
Jump.
Okay, come. Jump like a robo. Very good, 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 good. Okay, and your word is?
Walk.
Okay. Shall I have it? Yeah. Good, very good. Did you all enjoy the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Wasn't it fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Did a great job. Good.